Hi, I'm Aiden, and I'm going to be comparing and contrasting meiosis and mitosis. So, first off, it's important to look at what each of these processes do. So, both of these processes they serve to replicate cells. Mitosis creates genetically identical body cells used for growth, and meiosis creates genetically different sperm and egg cells. A similarity between both these processes is how interphase occurs before each of them. So interphase kind of has three different sections: G1, S, and G2. G1 is the growth stage, S is the DNA replication stage, and G2 is the final preparation before mitosis or meiosis. It's also important to note, at least according to one of my sources from the videos, was that meiosis can also have a second interphase stage. Another similarity is that PMAT, the stages used in mitosis and meiosis, are found in both. And these stages are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And what's interesting is that meiosis has two of these cycles. Another similarity is cytokinesis. So this occurs after the cell division. It occurs in both types of nuclear division, and it comes after the PMATs. So after one cycle of PMAT for mitosis, it'll occur, and after PMAT1 and PMAT2 for meiosis, cytokinesis will occur. As you can see, it really splits the cell in two. Another similarity between these two cycles is how they both start with a singular parent cells. So this is always a diploid cell. Mitosis will turn this one diploid cell into two diploid cells with homologous chromosomes, whereas meiosis creates two haploids with non-homologous chromosomes. A difference is the genetic variation. So like we just said, mitosis creates two cells, and these cells are actually going to be identical. If you start with one, let's say skin cell, the cell that it creates will be genetically identical. However, meiosis can create genetic variation because you get two different parent cells, and then you can have all sorts of different combinations of what's going to be in these cells. If you want to think of 2 to the power of 23, I think that was the example, because humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes, or 46 chromosomes. That will create a lot of genetic variation, as there's many different outcomes. So here's the difference. Another difference is prophase 1 versus prophase and mitosis. So prophase 1 is called reduction division, and this is where crossing over occurs. So this transfers genetic information between the chromosomes and creates recombinant chromosomes, which is what's responsible for the variety. And as you can see in the diagram, meiosis 1, there's two of those sister chromatids, whereas in meiosis 2, which also resembles what prophase will look like in mitosis, there's only one in the center there. So another difference is in metaphase, the M in PMAT. So in mitosis metaphase, there's one pair of chromosomes in the middle. In mitosis 1 metaphase, there's two pairs of sister chromosomes in the middle. And then mitosis 2 metaphase is similar to the mitosis metaphase. Third difference is the anaphase portion of PMAT. So in mitosis anaphase, chromosomes move to opposite sides of the cell. In meiosis anaphase 1, sister chromatids move to the opposite sides of the cell. So as you can see, in mitosis, there's only one on each side, but it looks like there's the two sister chromatids on each side in anaphase 1. And then meiosis anaphase 2 is pretty similar to just the mitosis anaphase. Then down to the T in PMAT, so telophase versus telophase 1 and 2 in meiosis. They're all pretty similar. The main difference is that mitosis telophase results in 2 cells, whereas meiosis telophase results in the creation of 4 cells. Final difference is the purpose of both of these. So the purpose of mitosis is growth. Without mitosis, I would be the same size I was when I was conceived. I'm pretty sure that's right. Basically, just the replication of cells can make me or a plant, like shown in the diagram, bigger and bigger and bigger. This can, besides growth, it can repair damage. So like if I get a cut, that's how the cut will heal through mitosis, and also replace worn out cells. So if I have a hard workout, mitosis is going to be responsible for getting those cells, getting new cells. Then the purpose of meiosis is generally reproduction, where it creates gametes, which are sperm and egg cells. Each of these cells have 23 chromosomes, and obviously 23, it's 46 divided by 2. So when those two combine, you'll get the 46 chromosomes that are found in humans, and it creates a lot of genetic variation. Okay, thank you for watching. It's a pretty confusing topic to me, but I think I did a decent job summarizing it. God bless.